Okay, welcome to my channel this morning. And if you're new here, you're welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe if you find this video interesting. And as I'm here, I just want to wash plate. And there's times when my wife is not around, I feel so weak of doing my morning routine. Yeah, but today she wants to go and see her grandma, so I'm in the house like home alone, and I don't even know what to cook I eat this morning. It's crazy, man. For real, I'm hungry. Oh, look at these shirts. This jacket is crazy. Let me just cover my head. Yeah. So I this is just first. I will start by washing some dishes, and after that, maybe I will cook rice and eat. I don't know. I'm not too certain that I'll cook. I don't think I'll cook, but I don't have the ginger. Like, my spirit is not moved to cook at this point. But let me see what I can do. But for real, I don't feel like cooking, man. I don't feel like cooking. But I'm hungry though. If I don't cook, then I have to go out and get food for myself. So that's that. That's it. I just need to drink some water so that I'll have strength. Let's drink. Water is life. Malone. Because if I drink there, let me drink the water from the glass cup before I take care of the dishes. Let's drink, guys. That is life. I've not eaten this morning, so I just need to drink water and then get myself. How you guys doing this morning? And if you're watching me, let me know. Just say hi. Let me say hi to you, and let me know where you're watching me from. All my subscribers are special, and I love them all. All right, they're great people, good people, and it's always good to have you guys around. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm washing the dishes, the one I used yesterday. Sometimes I don't like doing this washing everything. But some point, if I don't keep the house clean, family, nobody's around for now, so I'm the only one at home. Even now then I can decide to act home alone movie. It's crazy, but I have to do it, man. Whew. If you are watching me, if you are there, say hi. Then on this other side, I will just say hello, and then we'll keep our conversation going. All right. Please, if I hear say something, let me know that somebody is here. Like, it not be as if I'm talking to myself. So you think that I'm joking, but for real, washing plates. This is the way we wash our plates early in the morning. This is the way we wash our plates. Wash our plates. Wash our plates. This is the way I wash my plates early in the morning. This is the way I wash my plates. Wash my plates. Wash my plates. This is the way I wash my plates early in the morning. This is the way we wash our plates. Wash our plates. Wash our plates. This is the way we wash our plates every in the morning. This is the way we wash our dish. Is it wash or clean dishes? Or wash plates? Which one is better? Oh God, it's crazy, man. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, okay? Do not forget to share and comment. Let me know where you're watching me from then. I'll say hi to you. Thank you for coming. God bless you. You know, I don't like using so many plates when I'm at home alone because I don't like washing plates, man. Now look at today now. I have no choice than to wash the plates. If I don't wash, the kitchen will be dirty. You know? So I have to wash. After this, I'll go take care of the parlor. That's all it is. If he wants to stay in there, I'll stop this live stream. For YouTube, you have to be recommending my videos. Yes. If you're a company and you're watching this video, recommend to people. Yes. That's what's up. Be on this platform for some years now, man. It's taking so much time for you to talk to people about my content. Tell people.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's not right.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
This is another plate.